So how does sound actually process in the human body? The vibrations of sound first hit the bones of our skull, and that vibration then triggers the ear hammer, which then sends electrical impulses to the brain for interpretation. That's perceived as sound. We can feel the music in our bones, and water is conductive of sound, and knowing that the human body is 70% water, that is why we feel the music or the sound kind of undulating in the fluid of our body. So what is the use of that now in medicine? It is pioneering therapy.